Good morning, everyone. How are you today? So, we're starting a new lesson. Okay, I want to show you where it is. First of all, welcome to week 7. The new lesson is down here now. Of course, everything is in week 7. What you gotta do, that's where you are now, watching this video. But where I put the book and the PowerPoint are in the lesson down there. It's in Module H Unit 2, Lesson 2. It's called Earth and the Solar System. Okay, so if you go in there, you will find the book. Don't worry if you found 2 chapters. It's because I combined 2, but mainly it's about Earth and the solar system. So it's about Unit 2, Lesson 2, but I got some stuff from 2 lessons, so don't worry about it. Okay, you don't need to look into that, but if I tell you to go to a certain page to do something, just go to that page, okay? Okay, so let's start. We're gonna learn about today is basically our solar system. Okay, so first thing we gotta know is the solar system has formed around 4.5 billion years ago. Okay, 4.5, it's a very long time ago. This is estimated, this is what scientists think. Okay, the solar system includes several things, not just the sun and the planets. It includes asteroids, the planets, the comets, the Earth. There's dwarf planets, there's other objects like meteorites, moons. So it includes a lot of things, and this is what we're going to learn about in this lesson. Basically, what is the solar system? What does it include? What are these things? What are these shooting stars that you see? We're going to talk about all of these things. Okay, first of all, the sun is not the only star. The sun is a kind of star, but it's not the only star that has orbiting planets. There are many suns, and they have planets orbiting around them in the universe. Okay, our solar system, we have the sun. Okay, but in other solar systems, in other systems, they have other things. Other suns. Okay, other stars actually. We call our star the sun. Okay, now star systems are other groupings of stars and orbiting planets. So what you need to know here is, what does a star system mean? A star system means there's a star. In our case, it's the sun, and you have planets orbiting around it. Okay, this is a star system. Okay, in our solar system, the star is called sun. Okay, the sun is the largest object in our solar system. It's an average sized sun compared to other stars that you see in the universe. It's kind of average size, but even though it's average size, it can fit 1.3 million Earth-sized planet. You can fit inside the sun 1.3 million Earths. This is how big it is, and it's still an average size compared to other stars in the universe. Okay, this large volume is filled with hot churning hydrogen. So it's made with hydrogen, helium, some other trace amounts, oxygen, carbon, iron. So this is basically what the sun is made out of. Okay. An object's mass determines its strength and gravitational field. Remember when we said that every object on Earth has a gravitational field, but only planets and stars are able to you can actually feel their gravitational field because they're big enough. So the gravitational field of the stars are very strong and extend far into space. As a result, a star influences the motion of other objects. You see, a comet is moving this way, but then because of the sun's gravitational field, it was moved into the path. It changed its path because the sun is kind of moving it into its gravitational field. Okay, and that's why the Earth and the other planets, they revolve around the sun because the sun's gravitational field is strong. Okay, it's the largest object, therefore it has the largest gravitational field in our solar system. The sun lies at the center, so you'd see the sun in the middle. At the center, middle. I'm gonna write M, or like maybe center. Okay. All objects exist at varying distances. So like varying distances mean the distances differ. So Mercury is this close, Mars is that close, Jupiter is like that. Okay, it depends. And the planets and other objects in the solar system are held in orbit by the mutual gravitational pull between themselves and the sun. Okay, all of them are held in orbit. That means they're all orbiting around the sun because of the gravitational field that the sun makes and the gravitational field that they make themselves. Okay, so these are our planets and they orbit around the sun. Last thing we need to know today, before that we have to know that the planets are the largest category of objects in our solar system. So after the sun is the largest. After that come the planets. Okay, the planets orbit the sun in the same direction. Each moves at a unique distance and speed. Okay, so they all have a different speed and they all have different distances from the sun and each other. In addition, orbiting the sun, each planet also rotates around its axis. That means each planet turns around itself and it orbits the sun. Just like the Earth, we said that the Earth rotates around itself and revolves around the sun. Same thing with all the other planets. They rotate around themselves and then they move around the sun. Okay, but they all move at different speed and a different distance. Okay, that's all we had to know for today. The rest is going to be for tomorrow. There's one more thing that I wanted to go over. It's the order of the planets that you needed to know. So we have Mercury, then Venus, then Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. This is the order of them in distance-wise. So this would have to be the closest. Okay. Yeah, Earth is right over here. But see how small Earth compared to Jupiter? See how small Earth is? Okay, the other two slides we will take tomorrow. Good luck. Please finish the class instructions.